Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore fascinating topics that shape our world. In this video, we will delve into the dynamics of economy of United States, a pillar of global prosperity. So let's dive right in. To understand United States' current economic landscape, we must first grasp the milestone that shaped its development. From the Industrial Revolution to the Information Age, the US has consistently embraced innovations, new technologies, propelling it to the forefront of the global economic dominance. The US government plays a crucial role in managing economy through the fiscal policies, taxation, government spending, and budgetary policies all have significant impact on economic growth, stabilities, and debt management. The Federal Reserve, the nation's central bank, influences the US economy through the monetary policy. This includes managing interest rates, controlling inflation, promoting employment, and ensuring financial stability. As a major player in international trade, the US has a complex network of trade policies and agreements. Tariffs, trade agreements, and their effects on domestic industries and employment and other global economies are all essential considerations. The US has a rich manufacturing heritage and remains a leading global manufacturing powerhouse. Its contribution to employment, innovations, the global competitiveness are unparalleled. The United States, renowned for its vibrant technology and innovations ecosystems. From Silicon Valley to emerging tech hub, technological advancement drive economic growth, foster entrepreneurship, and shape various industries. The US financial system and its robust banking sector and dynamic financial market is the backbone of its economy. Understanding its working and regulatory framework shed light on the economic stability and growth. The US energy sector plays a vital role in domestic and global market. Diverse energy sources and advancement in renewable energy have significant implications for energy security and sustainability. Analyzing the US labor market is essential to understanding economic dynamics, employment trend, wage growth, and role of education and skills in the evolving job landscape all contribute to thriving economy. Investment in education and training is critical for fostering a skilled workforce and ensuring long-term economic prosperity. The US education system has vocational training play a crucial role in nurturing human capital. Despite its economic powerhouse, the United States faces challenges, including income inequality. Exploring the factors contributing to this issue, its implications for social mobility, and potential policy approaches are important for fair society. The US economy is under pressure to transition toward a more sustainable and environmental conscious model. Addressing climate change, environmental degradation, and embracing renewable energy sources offer both challenges the economic opportunities. Operating in interconnected global economy, the United States faces competition from emerging economies. Maintaining the competitive edge and navigating the impact of globalization on American industries are crucial considerations. The technological advancement continue to reshape industries and disrupt the traditional business model. Adapting to the technological changes, embracing innovations are prominent for the US economy to thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. So, to summarize, the United States economy is a dynamic and multifaceted engine of global prosperity. Its rich history of innovation, diverse industries, and robust economic policies have propelled it to the forefront of the global economic stage. As we navigate the ever-changing economic landscape, it is necessary and crucial to understand the US economy. By doing so, we gain valuable insight into the factors that shape the global economic order and interconnectedness of nations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dynamic economy of the United States. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring fascinating and world around us.